Looking for the next big opportunity in crypto? In this video, we will reveal 3 undervalued cryptocurrencies that have strong potential but are still flying under the radar. Like this video and subscribe for more crypto insights that help you stay ahead of the market and make smarter investment choices. 1. Chainlink solves real-world data needs through decentralized Oracle networks. Chainlink bridges smart contracts with off-chain data, enabling powerful blockchain-based automation. It is widely used in decentralized finance projects, providing accurate price feeds and external info. As demand grows for secure data inputs, its decentralized system becomes increasingly essential daily. Its infrastructure makes complex contract execution safer for both developers and global users. Chainlink is not just another token, it is a working tool that improves reliability in blockchain apps. This core function makes it valuable in a world moving toward tokenized and automated systems daily. Despite real usage, the token remains underpriced, offering major upside potential in 2025. Its real-world impact continues to expand, but the current market does not reflect its true importance. 2. Chainlink has strong partnerships and institutional use cases growing rapidly. Chainlink collaborates with top financial networks and enterprises using oracles in real-time data flow. It works with Swift, Google, and top Layer 1 blockchains, creating a deeply integrated ecosystem now. These partnerships give confidence that Chainlink will be embedded into future financial protocols. It acts as infrastructure behind many systems, not just a retail-focused asset for traders to speculate. The growth of tokenized assets will rely on Chainlink to validate events from the real world securely. Its expanding connections in finance, insurance, and gaming add long-term value to the Link token daily. It continues to lead the Oracle space with unmatched depth of integration and technical expertise. 3. Chainlink remains undervalued compared to its utility and market integration. Despite deep integration and strong use cases, Chainlink's market price lags its actual adoption level. This price disconnect gives long-term investors a strong entry opportunity at discounted valuations. It supports cross-chain functionality and data interoperability, which is key to future blockchain use. The token's performance does not yet reflect its demand from large-scale projects and institutions. Most users interact with systems powered by Chainlink without knowing the oracle behind it exists. This silent adoption creates value that will eventually reflect in its token appreciation over time. Holding Chainlink now gives exposure to the critical backbone of trusted smart contract execution. 4. Algorand offers eco-friendly blockchain infrastructure with high performance. Algorand uses pure proof of stake to offer fast and green blockchain operations with minimal energy use. Its carbon-neutral design attracts environmentally conscious developers and enterprises worldwide. Transactions finalize in seconds, making it suitable for real-time finance and commerce applications. The protocol's technology allows high throughput while keeping fees consistently low for all users. This performance edge allows it to compete directly with Ethereum and Solana in Layer 1 battles. Its tech stack was built by academic pioneers, which adds credibility and long-term research backing. As sustainability becomes crucial, Algorand stands out for speed, reliability, and low environmental harm. It is undervalued when compared to its superior technology and current use across real use cases. 5. Algorand grows institutional interest and real government-level adoption. Algorand is not just theory, it is used by governments and financial institutions for real deployments. It powers national digital currency projects and asset tokenization pilots in various developing nations. This institutional trust signals maturity and gives the token credibility in the global financial system. Its smart contracts enable advanced financial services while maintaining high security and flexibility. Algorand's governance is decentralized and transparent, offering voting rights to community stakers. Such structure makes it suitable for long-term ecosystem stability and innovation moving forward. The more governments explore digital finance, the more Algorand stands to benefit from early trust. 6. Algorand has technical strength and a vision for long-term utility. Algorand's ability to scale securely without compromising decentralization sets it apart from rivals. It allows developers to launch decentralized apps easily with reliable performance across platforms. Upgrades continue to improve speed and compatibility while the foundation invests in global outreach. Its tech stack includes support for atomic swaps, smart contracts, and instant cross-border settlement. This makes it a platform not just for coins, but for supply chain finance identity and legal systems. By offering more than speculation, Algorand provides infrastructure for institutional blockchain growth. The token remains low-priced compared to the platform's capability and current achievements globally. 7. VeChain delivers practical supply chain use cases already deployed in industries. VeChain's blockchain is built for supply chain traceability, helping companies track goods in real time. It partners with firms in retail, luxury goods, automotive, and food safety to verify product history. This usage brings transparency to global trade networks, reducing fraud and improving accountability. Unlike most projects, VeChain has real business clients and working products that solve industry issues. Its two-token model enables efficient operations while maintaining security and decentralized power. Enterprises benefit from its user-friendly tools and easy onboarding for blockchain integration. VeChain has moved beyond experimentation and into actual industry-wide blockchain implementation. 8. VeChain collaborates with governments and corporate giants for adoption. VeChain works with Walmart, China, BMW, and Chinese authorities in implementing secure blockchain systems. It supports sustainability tracking, helping companies prove eco-responsibility through public ledgers. Such collaborations show that VeChain's vision aligns with global corporate governance requirements. Its strong presence in Asia and expanding visibility in Europe make it a leader in enterprise adoption. The project prioritizes real-world integration over hype, which supports stable long-term growth outlook. It delivers both performance and transparency critical for future digital infrastructure worldwide. These partnerships add credibility and give investors confidence in the project's survival and growth. 9. VeChain's token economics and infrastructure remain strong and scalable. VeChain uses VET and VTHO tokens to balance payment and power across the network efficiently today. This dual system reduces costs for businesses while incentivizing network participants and validators. Its enterprise-focused blockchain as a service platform supports scalability for industrial projects. VeChain Toolchain makes it easy for companies to adopt blockchain without technical blockchain skills. The project stays developer-friendly and keeps enhancing real-world usability through tech upgrades. It continues to work toward interoperability and governance improvements for long-term durability. The current token price does not reflect the sophistication or business fit of its enterprise design. 10. Undervalued cryptos offer long-term potential for strategic investors. Chainlink, Algorand, and VeChain are functional projects that offer more than price speculation today. Each has real adoption partnerships or infrastructure that positions them strongly for future growth. Unlike meme tokens, these cryptos solve real problems in finance, governance, logistics, and more sectors. They combine enterprise trust with blockchain innovation, giving them long-lasting investment potential. Investors who look beyond hype may find deep value in tokens that are actively building usable systems. In 2025, smart money may shift toward assets with true utility and global scalability. These three are positioned for long-term resilience, even if short-term prices remain quiet for now. Do not ignore these projects. These three crypto picks may be undervalued now, but they could lead the next wave of growth. If this video gave you new ideas or helped sharpen your crypto strategy, leave a like and subscribe for more hidden gems and smart investing tips. Got a coin you believe in? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching and keep learning to invest with confidence.